3, 2, 1.
Anyone who is caught lighting fireworks or possession of fireworks will be cited for that offense, and to pay $500-600 just to light up a firecracker is really not worth it when you can spend it on your families.
As mentioned before, and I just want to reiterate it, that fireworks in the city of Santa Clarita are illegal. And also for all the unincorporated areas surrounding the city, they're illegal. So it doesn't matter if they're safe and sane fireworks or any other firework that you may purchase, they're all illegal.